shoppers! I have a great product over here I would like to share it with you. It's a foldable storage shelves from Himix store, and I received them for the evaluation purposes, and this is my personal opinion. This storage shelf is great. It's made out of high quality, thick metal. It's sturdy, durable and long lasting. Each shelf supports for up to 88 pounds and it's designed with 4 of them, so it provides you with a lot of additional storage for your different needs. Besides that, it comes with 4 360-degree smooth wheels. 2 of them are lockable, so you can easily move these storage shelves anytime, anywhere. It also comes with 4 adjustable feet, so you can use wheels or feet, and 20 metal hooks. You can place them anywhere depending on your needs. And besides all that, it's easy foldable, takes just seconds. It's very compact, it's easy to store, won't take much space. Foldable storage shelves from Himix store is a great choice. Quality is wonderful, simple to use, and it's very useful and convenient. It's a perfect addition to a kitchen, pantry, garage, office, living room, bedroom, you name it. I like this product very much. It comes in 2 colors, black and white, and different sizes, including 3, 4 and 5 tiers, so you can choose the one you prefer the best. I like this product very much and I would highly recommend it to you.